Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Google Sheets tab. Alright, so it's really easy to duplicate a Google Sheets tab in Google Sheets. So as you can see, currently we have this project management Google Sheets with this nice project management table and Sheets 2. And let's say we want to duplicate the project management tab in our Google Sheets. So all we have to do is click on this down arrow, or we can also right click on the tab we want to duplicate. And then we have two options. So as you can see, we can duplicate here, and this will make a copy or a duplicate of the sheets we want to duplicate. So as you can see, it will duplicate the complete content of that tab to another tab and add the name copy of and the name of the tab we have just duplicated. And then of course you can double click on the Google Sheets tab and add a new name if you want to do that. The second option you have is to right click on the tab again, or click on this down arrow, and you can also copy this Google Sheets tab to a new spreadsheet or to an existing spreadsheet you have created. So if you click on new spreadsheet, it will copy this Google Sheets tab to another spreadsheet, or you can copy this Google Sheets tab to an existing spreadsheet you have already created. So now this is how you can duplicate a Google Sheets tab in Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.